man ang mangyayari if we just say yes to everything. I chose this picture kasi feeling ko swak na swak siya. It says everything. Ganyan, we keep shrinking ourselves pag palagi nating kinakalimutan yung baka bubuti sa atin and yes na lang tayo ng yes sa lahat. In the long run, we're going to end up resenting these people kasi you feel used and then yun, sasabog ka one day. So, relationship strain, hindi ho ba? Ang effect po niyan sa financial goal, for example, yung original plan nyo na mag-iipon tayo for 10 years, humahaba po ng humahaba kasi nasisira siya every time dumadating ang Pasko.
Oo. Nako, Alex, baka naman isipin nila na, uy, mag-say na tayo ng no ha, parati na lang. Ang sinasabi lang natin ay, you have the choice to say yes or no sa mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo or makakapagpahirap sa'yo, no? Choice mo yon. Pero, you have to take responsibility of those choices. Love is when you make the other person grow. If you just keep on giving and giving at hindi na nag-grow yung other person. So for me, that is no longer a loving act. They don't become a better version of themselves. Ay, ikaw nako, ako kasi wala akong anak, mga pamangkin lang. Si Maya, kapag nagluluko siya, masama yung loob mo na papagalitan mo siya. But you have to do it because
exactly.
She has to learn. And that is a loving act. As compared to kukonsintihin mo siya o hayaan mo lang siya. Tama ba? Parenting naman ng labas ko nun.
Oo, tama. It's true. Sometimes, kailangan talaga tough love. Halimbawa, homework time namin yan ni Maya. Mas madali yung, sige na nga, sabihin ko na kung anong kailangan niyang gawin para matapos na. But instead, I ask, ano yung naintindihan mo? Ano sa tingin mo yung error mo? And that's harder. Frustrating siya. If you tell people what to do, if you always provide for them, you are in effect not empowering them. Kasi oras na mawala ka, kanino sila didepende?